I want y'all to tell me what the problem is. Is that the thrust washer making that noise? Because if it is the thrust washers, I can't do anything about that. Just have to use it the way it is, making that noise. This fan has seen a long life. It's been running ever since the 70s. And now it's still running to this day. So I'm not one to do all that stuff. Take motors apart and try to fix thrust washers and all that stuff. But just let me know if that's what that is. That's all I want to know. Well, are you going to replace it? I tell you what, the day that it stops working, then I'll replace it. Until then, I'll just have to use it the way it is. How about that? How about that? I don't have money to keep replacing all of these vintage fans because they have issues like that can easily be fixed if it was somebody like Jordan. That's not going to happen. I don't have money to keep coming out of my pocket like that. So the day that it quit working or seized up or whatever the problem may be, then I'll think about a replacement. All right, anyways, y'all tell me what that noise is. I think it is thrust washers. And thanks for watching. My man out.